Hey guys, Abe here, Happy Trailer Sales in Palmer, Texas. We'll be doing a walk around video on the PJ DC model dump trailer. We'll start here in the front. 25,000 pound round coupler, Bulldog, 2 5/16 ball, 7-way RB plug, sealed wire harness, I-beam neck, got your 48-inch tall sides. This trailer here is 83 inches wide, 16 feet long. You got your double channel frame, two 12,000 pound jacks, full toolbox, trickle charger, got your interstate battery, KTI pump, got your mounting brackets for the tarp, Templat tires, 235/80 R16s, 7,000 pound axles, spring suspension, 1/8-inch diamond plate steel fenders, (10-gauge sidewalls, 10-gauge floor, got a split spreader gate, LED lights, ramps in the back, (3-inch channel cross members, 16-inch centers, scissor lift, Goosenecks come with a spare tire mounted in the neck. (40-degree dump pitch). This is your spreader gate. You can adjust your opening as desired. For more information, visit us online, www.happytrailersales.com, or call us here in Palmer at 972-845-1003.